Good morning, stock traders. Stock Sumo here with BlueHorseshoeStocks.com. Today's Wednesday, October 24th, 2012, and today we're going to be focusing on YLLC. That's Yellow7 Inc., traded on the pink sheets. And why we're going to be shifting our focus to Yellow7 Inc. is because it looks like it's a perfect bottom setup. Looks like a perfect dead cat bounce play. Looks like it's oversold here. Looking at the RSI is at a low point here at 29.47. Looking very oversold. Leveled off here. To see this RSI turn up and get through the 50 DMA, which is sitting at 37.74. That'll show some strength. I'd like to see that RSI continue through that 50 DMA and get above the 50 line as it's coming off of being oversold. Looking at the price per share, currently last traded yesterday at 0082, which is the new 52-week low for this stock. Now notice that the stock has been on a downtrend, but it's come down here on very light volume. We had a couple of big volume bursts back here in July and here in September, and you could see when the volume exploded, the price per share got a little shaky, had a little bit of a bounce. Unfortunately, there was some selling pressure and it came down a bit. This 5-cent mark used to be a key level of support. Came down on some heavy selling pressure here, but most of this downtrend back here in end of September, beginning of October has been on very light volume. So if we could see a volume burst and an influx of momentum, we could see the stock pick up nicely off of its bottom. First key resistance is going to be at 0131. This was our previous level of support back here in the beginning of October. And then after that, you're going to have resistance at 017, which is the 20-day moving average. We have support currently holding at the 008s and resistance at 0131 and 017. Looking at the PPO, this looks like it's setting up for a cross. This is going to be a bullish confirmation. Once we get these lines, they cross over. You can see that the PPO tried to cross over right here. These lines started to pinch, but failed to cross over here. I'd like to see these lines cross over right there, just like the slow stow is getting ready to do. You see the slow stow here pinching, and those lines are getting ready to converge. I want to see a cross there and on the PPO. Those two crosses will be a bullish confirmation, and I'd like to see the stock break out, get off this bottom. Looks like it's ready for a dead cat bounce. That's why I want to make sure that it's on everyone's radar. Be sure to add YLLC to your watch list this morning and stop by BlueHorseshoeStocks.com to read our disclaimer for disclosure purposes. Thanks for tuning in, and good luck out there.